Good morning, tribe. Today I'm back with another plant video. It's Sunday, so Sundays are typically the day I like to assess my plants to see if they need anything. I've had my eye on this for a while. I love these. It's a Chinese plant. I forgot the name of it. I should know it, so y'all forgive me. But anywho, I'm going to be repotting this today or potting this in another pot. And I have a different type of ivory that I really love. And I'm going to show you exactly where I'm going to put these two things at. And I bought these little vases from TJ Maxx. Isn't this so cute? And it goes with the decor of the house, so I can't wait to show you guys this. And I have another one as well here that I bought for the ivory. So guys, you stay tuned as I replay. So here I have some potting mix and peat moss. It's just mixed together just to add a little more nutrients to the soil. And then I have my little cute vase that I got from TJ Maxx. So as always, when you're trying to transplant, and the only thing I don't like about this one, guys, is that it doesn't have a hole in it. So I'm going to be very careful. I'll probably have my husband get a drill and try to screw something in here. However, I am going to start off with some potting mix in here and peat moss. May just have to use all of this. And then I'm gonna just gently tug and wiggle this out. And look, it came right on out. So I'm just gonna simply kind of break it apart just a little bit. Okay guys, so I discovered as I was repotting this, it has a little baby one. Can you see it? Let me see. It has a little baby one. So I'm going to one came off. I'm simply going to just kind of wiggle and pull it out so carefully. And I'm going to gift this to someone else. Oh, see that one? Little baby one. And I'm going to give this to someone else. I'm going to show you all that as well. So I'm going to set this to the side just for a second as I continue to repot this really quickly. And I'm just going to break this up a little bit and re-add some more soil to it. So I'm going to show you guys the newest addition to the plant family. And I'm going to show you guys exactly where I'm going to put it. It's next to our other money tree plant. So beautiful. Let me scoot back. So it has a friend to be next to.